Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can change multiple row height in Google Sheets. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have prepared my Google Sheets document, and first of all, if we want to resize the row, we need to select the row like this. And for example, I'm just going to select all the rows I have, and then we can right click on this section until this menus appear on our screen, and then we can select resize rows. Okay, and select the specify row height, and I'm going to increase the height. Okay, and then we can click on this OK button. Okay, and as you can see guys, that the row height has been changed. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change multiple row height in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.